Hi, I think this is the right time to do this review about this Genmax GM 9000 IED. So this one is only dual fuel, it's not tri-fuel. One of the complaint that I heard when you use the 50 amperes, as you can see there's a little gap because of this cover. So there's a remedy on that one if you want to do it flat, but they have a good connection, they have a good bites. You can just cut this one, so it's up to you if you want to do that. But if you have the straight connection for 50 amperes like this, is not the problem. But I think they have a good connection there. There's like a 1 port gap, but let's see if this one give exact power, even though there's it's not connected totally. But let's try to run this one first time. I already have I think more than 30 minutes run the last time to keep on idle during break-in. So let's see if this my 4 tons old Carrier air condition on my house, it can run this 9,000 watts. And based to the wattage, if you only use propane, you only get out of 8,550, you only get 7.2. So let's see on the meter what is gonna be pulled out there when I run my refrigerator first, lights, and my central unit. So let's start from there, and let's get into my inlet box, connect everything, but put this one in a 5 minutes run first before we try it. Let's go to the, I put some cover here to not to be wet. So you can see, just pull this plastic out. Here we go, plastic out to the inlet. Now I already open my panel. This one is a QD type. So as you can see, this one is if you, the electric is on that side, generator here. I need to put this one up, put this one in the left to be off, and put this one in the left to be on. So this one is to powerize the generator using that Monster Genmax. So I show you my 4 tons Carrier unit in my other side. Here I am. So since a little bit cooler now, this one it's spin earlier but it stopped. So you see how old is my air conditioning unit. I just replaced the fan recently, and I have a soft start. There's no green light there, so it means it's not working. So as soon as this fire up, you're gonna see the green there lights that to prove it's working. So let's go back to the unit, start it for 5 minutes to the Genmax 9000 watts, and try to spin this old, more than 20 years air condition. So I already run the 50 amperes wire all the way to the unit and fire this Monster up. Let's do it right away. Put this in on. So let's start this bad boy up. Put in a power. So we are in a low idle 0-0. So let's start this one. We need to get some in a line first, the gas, and put it in start. Now start. Let's wait for 5 minutes and put the connection in the inlet and run the central unit. the house, inside the house. Now we are in 3 minutes. So I give you a show around. And after that, we gonna go inside the house and try if it is the air condition work after I hook it up that inlet. So I just want to make sure the air condition is in off position, so off cool. I leave the light on so that if I know if it is the generator work after I put it on. Now put this one in left, put this up, and try to, I'm just gonna use screw because this one's a little bit tight, and put this one in left to power the whole house for using this GenMax generator. Now everything is set. We are in a generator mode now, and put the unit on. Put this 150 amperes up so that it's on. Now we are in a 50 amperes mode, and switch back to the panel and put the power on. So I need to swing that everything in on so that let's try if it is AC work. Now it's only pulling 2 watts because I only use the refrigerator and light. Other than that, let's go inside. Now you can tell it's already reset. Oven is blinking because I shut it off. Let's check the, so this one's work, light work, ceiling fan work. So now let's put the AC on and put it in cool. You see, you hear the generator is kicking up because I put the aircon on. So let's see if the central unit it's kick into. Oh man, it's successful. So if you can see, it's kicked in. I think the soft start, it's a big help. And let's see if the green light is on, so it means 100% work, AC work. I don't see any rattle or abnormalities. It's kicked really good. And let's see what is the wattage that pull it out. You can see it's only pulling out 1,700 kilowatts. That's the one it's pulling. So you still have a lot of allowance for this 7,200 propane. You have 4,000 more less. So it's only getting 3.7 for my 4 tons unit. So for the piece of advice, it's not gonna work if you only put in 120. You need to pour it in 120 is last 240. So to keep all working. Earlier, my light is not working. There's a subwood not working. And suddenly, when I click this one on down, we do this 120 and 240, it's right away it works. And this gap, even though there's a little bit gap there, it still works normal. It doesn't affect the working of this generator. So I just get into my living room. So this how it sounds like when you inside your near for your this generator. I'm in the living room now. Now let's move to ceiling fans work. Now let's move to the main bedroom. This one's the master. Close the door. Actually, here you're not barely heard anything here, most especially when you go to the closet. So you only heard is the humming of air condition, but the generator is gone, totally gone. This one is really quiet. Let's proceed to the bedroom upstairs. Air condition is still in 75. That's the one I set it up. So let's go upstairs. So I have some 3-bedroom here. So let's, here, you don't hear, you heard only a little bit. Move to the other bedroom. In this bedroom, in a very front, you're not gonna hear nothing. So that's generator, man, is very quiet. So this is the proof, the 9,000 watts, you can work on this 2-story house. So let's proceed to the other room, which is about in a bottom of the living room. You can hear this one a little on this window down. That's the generator located. So now let's try our garage opener if it is work. Now I'm in a very back of the generator. I'm in the front now. And piece of advice, if you don't want to break your garage opener, buy that surcharge too. The price only, I think, $7.20 from Amazon. And now it's a final moment of truth. Post this one. If it is this garage door is open, use that generator. Oh man, it works. So everything is perfect. Even the garage openers work. That one, it's Chamberlain. You can use Wi-Fi there. You can open it outside. So it's positive work. Close it again. Let's back to the unit. Now I'm ready in a unit. It's still pulling out 3.4 kilowatts. Let's go further outside. Back it up like 25 or 20 feet away. So this one is my end of my fence. So that's the how you sounds it, how it loud. So if you ask me, I suggest to buy this one. Don't buy the 10,500. This 9,000. It's handle the house well. As you can see, my house is not too big, but it's 2-story. It's handled good. Because if you buy the 10,000